Our lovely patient, who's 72 years old, is almost 3 months out from her deep plane facelift, but we did not remove any glands. And she is in today to share with us her thoughts and feelings about her results.
Well, I'd like to first say I'm glad that I had the procedure with Dr. Claytor. I am still experiencing some symptoms of swelling and numbness and things like that, but it's clearly diminishing over time, and I expect that will continue over time. And I think that I've had no one really recognize that I didn't tell directly that I had anything done at all, but just that they thought I looked great and looked youthful, and just were surprised to even hear in some of the people that I mentioned it to. So anyway, I'm happy all over.
And you just recently went and visited your sister,
right.
And did she notice?
Well, one sister, I have two, and one sister and I have talked about plastic surgery for many years. We have similar, issues, and so she knew about it and encouraged me actually to do have the surgery done, and she thought I looked great, and my brother-in-law thought I looked great. My other sister I didn't tell, and so she didn't say anything. And when I said, well, she said to Ken, my friend, you've lost weight. And, so anyway, I couldn't resist. And I said, well, do you notice anything about me? And this is going to sound funny. She didn't recognize that I had a facelift, but she was looking at me and she couldn't guess. And when I told her, the only thing she thought about was, well, you still have your 11s. And the reason she said that is because she's had surgery on her eyes because she had, for visual issues.
Yeah.
But she also has migraine, so she has Botox all the time to help with that.
Right. So
she has no wrinkles at all. So that's what she focuses on. That was a funny, unexpected response.
I think that's fascinating. Well, the other thing, as we sit here and we look at your before and after pictures, is the differences that you can see in your jawline.
Yes. Yeah. I always wanted to have a cleaner jawline, and I don't think I ever did. I can remember when I was in in high school even, or really young, looking in the mirror from the side and always pushing my chin back or my tissue back, and so that's terrific. The result is great.
And it looks very natural.
It does. Oh, no question about it.
Yeah.
No question about it. Looks like there's just maybe still a little tiny bit of swelling through here.
That makes sense at 3 months.
It does, yeah. Yeah, I know from my patients, hand patients, hand therapy patients, the numbness and the swelling as it diminishes, it's all par for the course.
It can take a long time.
Yeah.
But I'm super impressed with your neck area.
Mm-hmm.
That line that you draw from your clavicle up to your chin was almost a straight line, and now it's almost a right angle.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Really beautiful,
amazing.
Contour development.
Yeah, nice result, really.
Well, you're a good healer. And even looking at that 3/4 view, you can see how your jowls are all gone. Mm-hmm. And then you also pointed out, as we look at your pictures, that you're below your eyes, that tear trough, even though we didn't touch your eyes from the outside, from the inside, there's a tremendous improvement.
Right, there definitely is. And then also, I had begun to notice lines, wrinkles, fine wrinkles on my skin, and they are basically not exactly there anymore. You can see them, they're sort of in a different orientation maybe a little bit, and just very faint. And so that's a really nice result as well.
Well, you're a fantastic patient, and you've done incredibly well. I always like to ask people, is this something that you would recommend to a friend?
Oh, for sure. I was actually hoping my sister would say, well, I'm going to come and stay with you for a month and go to Dr. Claytor. But she hasn't yet. I don't think she's ready yet. She's a beautiful girl. She was beautiful, but she has the similar thing. So,
well, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Absolutely.
My goodness.